This is the solution to the Java MOOC course, Java Programming first part, part 6, Programming Exercise 6.6, named Longest in Collection. The programming exercise asks us that the exercise template comes with a class simple collection that's familiar from previous exercises. Implement the method public string longest for the class, which returns the longest string of the collection. If the collection is empty, the method should return a null reference. Okay, so for that, what we can do is, let's go into our code section. Let's see what we have here. We have a name, right? So what is to be returned is longest. It's longest, but what's the error here? Longest. Okay, the method is not defined yet. Okay, so print C at longest. We have a name and we have elements, right? So for that, all we have to do is now just create a public longest, right? And what's the return type? Since we are returning a string, it's of type string, right? So public string longest. And where is this longest located? It's among the elements of this simple collection. So what you have to do is, first of all, we have to check if it is empty or not. If it's empty, we have to return null. So if elements dot is empty, then what we're gonna do is simply returning null. If not, what we are doing is we are assigning some string, and let's name it longest element. Let's call it element equals to elements dot get 0. That assigns the first item in our elements to the longest element, and then we are going to return longest element. Right now, for string element in elements, what we are going to do is, if element dot okay, so we have a method is not showing up here, and the method is called length, if I'm not mistaken, from the previous exercise, right? If element dot length is greater than our longest element dot length, then what happens, our longest element is equals to our element, right? So let's try and run this code and see what do we get. Oh no, let's move it to this downside here. Okay, no longest mistake is the longest element, right? Since we have no any elements in our list, we have returned a null reference. After that, among Magneto, Mystic and Phoenix, Mystic is the longest string in our characters, so we are getting Mystic. So let's try and submit this code to the server, and let's see what the server gives us. And as you can see, all just a personal server. Thank you for watching. If there are any questions regarding this, you can ask me down in the comment section. If not, I'll see you guys in the solution of next video. Thank you for watching.